Gulf Coast Cleaning Service. We cover all the beach fronts. We clean residential. We offer standard cleaning. Deep cleaning. We clean vacation rentals. Weekly. Bi-weekly. Monthly. Fort Walton, Florida. Gulf Breeze, Florida. Mary Esther, Florida. Okaloosa Island, Florida. Pensacola, Florida. Pensacola Beach, Florida. Standard cleaning areas included. Standard. Kitchen outside of range, hood clean, top and front of range cleaned, fronts of fridge and dishwasher cleaned, ceiling fans dusted, floors vacuumed and mopped, wipe table and chairs inside and outside of microwave wiped down, general dusting, sinks cleaned and disinfected, drip pans cleaned and disinfected. Bathroom tile walls cleaned and disinfected, showers cleaned and disinfected, sink cleaned and disinfected, trash removed, toilets cleaned and disinfected, including the base and behind the toilet vanity and sink cleaned, floors washed and disinfected, carpets and rugs vacuumed, mirrors and fixtures cleaned and shined, mildew chemically treated. Living and sleeping areas, beds made, if clean, sheets placed on beds, trash emptied, all readily accessible, floors vacuumed, mirrors cleaned, picture frames dusted, flat surfaces dusted, ceiling fans dusted, windowsills and ledges wiped down, prominent knickknacks dusted, stairs and closet floors vacuumed, wood floors swept and dust mopped, light, general straightening completed. Contact number 850-496-1843.